Where are we going?
So right now we are off to buy our baby's crib. There's only one piece left in the entire country apparently, and we are on our way to grab it.
That's what I'm saying.
Mom, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm recording and snowfall हो रही है. इसमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है try. Maybe more friendly. You guys want to cook Chinese for dinner? Mom loves Chinese food.
No, she does not. It's open, right?
Yeah,
We're at Canopy Baby. There is nobody else shopping in the store, which is good. I'm wearing my N95 because gotta keep safe. I just want to show you guys the crib options over here. And these so pretty. Can you guys guess which one I'm getting? I love this one, but I don't want to stick to pink, but I love this one. Okay, gotta do some more shopping quickly. So I can let my husband decide.
What do you want me to decide?
So you have to take a look at both of them and figure out which one's better. So we bought the crib and we bought the infant car seat that she needs for at least 1 year, and now we're just going to the back to load up the crib. Let's go. Hi, Mom. Yeah, it's a Canopy Baby customer pickup right there. Says that. So ulta karke lagay na, Mom, because they'll bring it that way. Okay, guys. So me and Mom are waiting in the car, and we're waiting for the crib to come out of the store. We're at the back door. We're at their pickup point, and we're waiting for the crib. It's in a big box, so we have put the seat down at the back, and we're gonna load it soon. So me and Mama are sitting, and he's outside. It's snowing and freezing while we do this. Like literally, snow is blowing on my face. It's crazy.
Drop the car paper in.
Okay, there is no room for you, right? You can't sneak out? This is insane. And that's the car seat. So guys, I don't think there is any room for all three of us to fit in. I don't know what will we do. Will he try to squeeze in the car at the back, or will he have to take Uber? We'll find out. It's not fitting in. Okay, it fits in now. This is crazy, guys. Her stroller came on one of the first snow days, and today we stepped out. It's snowing again. This baby loves snow for sure. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. So mission successful, guys. Mom, how was your experience? Because we still have to take the crib home and install it at some point, but look where is he sitting. Oh my god. So we're back home finally. I don't think we're unboxing this tonight, but at some point tomorrow or day after we will end up unboxing this crib. So I will show you guys which crib we got and which car seat we got, so stay tuned for that.
You excited?
Finally, after a lot of efforts, this crib made it to the room. It's so heavy. Dad and him have to get it up. Finally, it's here. Baby, are you excited? Why aren't you talking?
I think Ankita Brown should be here to help us instead they're in India partying.
Yeah, they should, right?
That's really bad.
No.
And then your other loser sister just recording it while I'm doing all the labor.
Because she has a baby in her belly. So all the pieces are out, and now I'm going to be reading all these instructions to him, and he will be assembling it. Oh, this is not in this is not in English. This is, but yeah. So finally this bed is all assembled. That was a lot of work, but it's done. Now we need a mattress and we need to decorate the room, so much stuff to do.